In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a photographer site in Squarespace. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, having a clean and professional online portfolio is essential for showcasing your work, attracting clients, and even selling your prints. Squarespace is an excellent platform for this because it's user-friendly, highly customizable, and packed with features tailored specifically for creatives like you. Let's dive right in and get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. If you don't already have one, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the account dashboard. Think of this as your command center. It's where you can manage all your Squarespace projects. From here, click the Create Website button. This is the very first step in building your online portfolio, so let's get that process rolling. Next, you'll be prompted to select a site topic. Choose Photographer to let Squarespace know the general purpose of your website. This step is important because it helps Squarespace suggest layouts, tools, and templates that are specifically designed for photographers. After that, click Next to continue. Now, you'll need to decide what you want your website to do. Squarespace will give you options like booking clients, showcasing your portfolio, or selling prints. Pick the option that best matches your goals. If you're unsure or think you might do a mix of things, don't worry. You can always adjust this later as you refine your site. Once you've made your selection, click Next again. At this point, you'll be asked to select your starting point. Templates. Templates are pre-designed layouts that provide a solid structure for your site, and they're fully customizable. Since this is a photographer site, browse through the templates specifically designed for photography. Take your time and choose one that aligns with your creative style. Whether you prefer something minimal and modern or bold and dynamic, there's a template for you. Once you've found the perfect fit, select it and move forward. With your template selected, it's time to start personalizing your site. First, choose a color palette. The colors you select will set the mood for your visitors and should reflect your brand's personality. Don't worry if you're not sure about your choice right now. You can always tweak it later. After selecting your colors, move on to fonts. Fonts may seem like a small detail, but they play a big role in how visitors perceive your brand. Preview different font combinations to find one that complements your photography and enhances the overall look of your site. Again, you can always come back and adjust this later if needed. Once you've customized the basic design elements, enter the site editor. This is where the real fun begins because you get to make the site truly yours. Start by adding sections to your website. For a photographer, sections like photo galleries, a bio, testimonials, and a contact form are essential. Photo galleries will serve as the centerpiece of your site, showcasing your work in the best light. A bio section lets visitors learn more about you and your journey, while testimonials build trust by featuring positive feedback from past clients. Lastly, a contact form makes it easy for potential clients to reach out. Using Squarespace's drag and drop feature, you can experiment with arranging these elements until everything feels just right. Once you're happy with your sections, it's time to save your work. Squarespace automatically saves as you go. But hitting that save button ensures nothing gets lost. After saving, click Preview to see your site from a visitor's perspective. This is a great way to catch small details you might have missed during editing. A quick tip here, step away for a few minutes and return with fresh eyes. Sometimes taking a short break can help you spot areas for improvement more easily. Now it's time to make any final tweaks or adjustments. Maybe you want to fine-tune your color palette, adjust the spacing between sections, or swap out a font. Take your time here. These small details can make a big difference in how polished your site looks. And finally, when you're completely satisfied with your design, it's time to publish your site. With just one click, your photography portfolio will be live and ready to share with the world. And that's how you build a stunning photographer site in Squarespace. Now you have a professional online space to showcase your work, connect with clients, and even sell your prints if that's part of your plan. If you have any questions or want to share what you created, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.